Welcome to our video. Today, we're showcasing the top 5 best air fryers available on AliExpress. These exceptional products have been carefully selected for their popularity, performance, affordability, durability, and outstanding user feedback. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these air fryers are sure to elevate your cooking experience. For more details about these amazing products, be sure to check the description below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in and discover the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. Number 5. XIAOMI MIJIA Air Fryer. Transform your cooking experience with the XIAOMI MIJIA 4.5-liter air fryer, a perfect blend of health, technology, and convenience. This multifunctional air fryer is designed to prepare delicious meals with low oil and light fat, making it ideal for healthy living. With its 4.5-liter capacity, it can easily handle meals for the whole family. The NTC precise temperature control ensures even cooking, while the intelligent features allow you to set timers and temperatures effortlessly. From crispy fries to juicy chicken, it delivers perfectly cooked food every time. Its modern design and non-stick basket make it both stylish and easy to clean. Whether you're baking, grilling, or frying, this air fryer is your go-to kitchen companion. Enjoy tasty, guilt-free meals and discover why this is a must-have for every home. Perfect for busy households or health-conscious foodies. Number 4. 5 Quart Digital Display Air Fryer. Looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite meals? Meet the 5 Quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This innovative kitchen appliance combines style, convenience, and efficiency to transform your cooking experience. With a visible window, you can monitor your food as it cooks to perfection. The 8 preset cooking functions, from frying and roasting to baking and reheating, make meal prep a breeze. Its oilless cooking technology significantly reduces fat while preserving taste and crispiness. Designed with user convenience in mind, the air fryer features a digital display for easy control and a dishwasher-safe basket for effortless cleaning. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy chicken, or delectable desserts, this air fryer does it all. Perfect for busy families or individuals who love quick, healthy meals. Grab yours today and elevate your kitchen game. Number 3. Air Fryer Fabuletta 4.2 QT. The Fabuletta 4.2 QT air fryer oven is the ultimate kitchen companion for healthier and faster cooking. With 9 customizable cooking programs, it offers versatility for frying, baking, roasting, and reheating your favorite meals. Its tempered glass display is sleek, modern, and easy to use, allowing you to set precise cooking times and temperatures with just a touch. The non-stick basket ensures hassle-free cooking and cleaning, making it perfect for daily use. Its compact 4.2 QT capacity is ideal for small families or individuals, and the advanced air circulation technology cooks food with up to 85% less oil, giving you guilt-free meals without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy chicken, or baked treats, this air fryer has you covered. Upgrade your kitchen today and make cooking more fun, healthy, and effortless with the Fabuletta air fryer. Number 2. 10L Large Capacity Electric Air Fryers. Experience the future of healthy cooking with the 10L Large Capacity Electric Air Fryer. This state-of-the-art kitchen appliance lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free, thanks to its oil-free technology that uses 360-degree convection baking for perfectly crispy results every time. With its 10-liter capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for the entire family or hosting dinner parties. Featuring an automatic operation system, it simplifies cooking with preset options, allowing you to fry, roast, bake, and grill effortlessly. The large viewing window and easy-to-use digital controls make monitoring and adjusting settings a breeze. Say goodbye to greasy messes and hello to a healthier lifestyle. Whether it's crispy fries, juicy chicken, or delicious baked goods, this fryer has you covered. Transform your kitchen and elevate your meals today. Don't miss out. Grab yours now. Number 1. MIUI 5L Air Fryer. Revolutionize your cooking with the MIUI 5L Air Fryer, the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and health-conscious design. Featuring a generous 5-liter capacity, this air fryer is ideal for family-sized meals, letting you cook everything from crispy fries to juicy chicken with minimal effort. Its electric hot fryer oven technology ensures perfectly cooked meals with up to 85% less oil, making every dish healthier without compromising on taste or texture. The intuitive touch control panel makes operation a breeze, allowing you to set precise cooking times and temperatures for a wide variety of recipes. Its non-stick basket ensures effortless cleaning, while the visible window lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're roasting, baking, or frying, the MIUI air fryer is your all-in-one solution for quick, healthy, and delicious meals. Don't miss out. Upgrade your kitchen today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.